Yo, what's good? It's your boy Zetamind TV. And I've been doing this content creation thing for the better part of 4 years. And I finally reached 100 subscribers. And I wanted to share my tips and tricks that I've been using to keep me pushing along. And I feel like it'd be better suited from a smaller YouTuber, a smaller content creator, to be more on your level with you guys and to more motivate you guys to just keep doing this, man. There's a lot of bad information out there. There's a lot of good information out there. I just want to give you the tricks of the trade that I've learned throughout the years of me doing this that keeps me motivated, keeps me moving along. So we're going to get right into this, man. I'm not going to waste your time. We go with my first rule. Rule number one. I'm sorry, I had something in my eye. Decide what kind of decide what kind of creator you want to be. What kind of content creator do you want to be? Yeah, I know it sounds asinine. Yeah, I know it sounds kind of silly, but there are levels to this game, man. And depending on the kind of content creator you want to be, there are different rules. You want to be a niche content creator where you focus on a particular game or product, or focus on a specific thing that you know you do well. Do you want to be a variety content creator like I am? I do a variety of different content in regards to video games being my niche, wrestling being my niche, but I do a lot of different things. Like I'm a variety streamer, I'm a variety content creator. I do a lot of things that will kind of help me, that can help me and hurt me in the long run, but I'm not ashamed of doing it because it's the kind of creator that I want to be. You want to be an IRL creator, people who vlog their daily life, who live stream their daily life, who go out here and they have their phone or whatever, they live stream everything that they're doing on a daily basis. You want to be a vlogger, somebody who gives updates on your day-to-day activities throughout your life. Same thing as an IRL, but a little different. But it's all up to you. It's being the creator that you want to be. Hold on, let me give me some water because it's going to be kind of a long one. Rule number two, numero dos, have a consistent schedule. I do this thing where I call the 90-day rule. I'll pick a scheduled time. I'll try it for 90 days. If I don't really see results within those 90 days, I might change it up. I stick to the 90-day rule because the 90-day rule usually tells you, usually gives you enough time to figure out where your peak times are, what your unpeak times are based on where you are in the world. It also gives you a chance to see, if you see consistent results, it might be something you want to stick with. You might fall off at a certain point. It's this thing, that 90-day window is great, trust me. Rule number three, don't do follow for follow. Don't do follow for follow. I repeat, do not do follow for follow. It's a slippery slope. The thing about live streaming and content creation, YouTube is one thing. But in regards to live streaming, whether it be on Kick, whether it be on Twitch, whether it be on YouTube or whatever, live viewership is the name of the game, okay? People get caught up in this follow for follow stuff, and then it's a slippery slope. Now you followed 100 people, you may have 200 followers, but they don't come back and view your content. They're nomads. They'll get you, follow them, they'll follow you, and they'll keep it pushing. They'll never come back. The key to this is to build a community. And this isn't even like on a get rich quick kind of thing, because you should only do this if you love it, and I'm going to touch on that. But the key is to focus on building a community. Follow for follow is a dead thing. Don't get involved with it. Just say no. It's like a drug campaign, right? Just say no. But yeah, just say no. What you want to do instead is you want to naturally become a part of people's communities. I'm not saying to just go in and start self-promoting yourself. I'm not saying to just go in and just be like, I'm here for your own personal gain. Don't do that. Get involved with the community that you want to be a part of. Actually, like things that you're actually into. Don't fake the funk. Just be a part of the community and grow naturally. Talk to people, ask questions. Just become a part of something, and you'll gradually grow. Educate yourself. That goes into that being a part of that community thing I was talking about. You have to educate yourself. You have things like YouTube. You have your favorite creators. You can ask them questions. I'm pretty sure a lot of them won't feel won't feel bad answering them for you. There's no such thing as a stupid question. I've ran into a couple of people, like Reanimator. I follow Harris Heller on YouTube. Echoes Vox. There are a bunch of people that I follow that I actually enjoy their content. They actually keep me informed. And there's a lot of videos I watch on YouTube from different creators that actually help me do this thing, man. There's nothing wrong with educating yourself on something that you're passionate about. Educate yourself, ask questions, naturally join these communities. I'm telling you, there's a lot of knowledge for you to learn. Because like 50 Cent, in the words of 50 Cent, if you can't learn from nobody, why you talking to them? You got to be able to learn from the people you're around. That was rule number 4. Rule number 5. Okay. Rule number 5. Before I touch on 5, going back to 4, a lot of that information is free. I know I can't knock anybody's hustle. I know some people do some people who are way bigger than me do courses and this, that, and the third, and that's all cool and well if you got the money to afford that, stream coaching and everything else. But a lot of this information is free. All right. Rule number 5, it's a slow build. Okay, it is a slow build. Look, I know everybody wants the 3 monitor setup. I know everybody wants the high powered computer PC, the top webcam, the lighting and all that stuff. Look, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I stream off my Xbox. Everything is ran off my laptop. I'm recording this on my laptop. I have a ring light right here that's lighting me. I have a monitor that I use for the Xbox, and I have a 1080p Next-to-Go webcam, the cheapest webcam that I can afford. This microphone costs $40. Don't focus on the equipment. I started here. I started with my cell phone. I still use my cell phone. Don't get caught up in needing the top equipment. Just do it, man. Just do it. The quicker you get started, the quicker you can go down this rabbit hole, the quicker you can learn tools of the trade. A lot of my earlier videos, I don't know how many of them are on my channel, but a lot of my earlier videos were created and edited on my cell phone. I was reacting to game trailers. I changed out of that to something different. Stimulus check helped me out. Trust and believe. I work 40 hours a week. This is not a full-time gig for me. Just stay consistent. You can start on your phone. The most important thing for you to do is this something that you want to do is just to start. It doesn't matter how you start. You have YouTube channels that have grown with people just recording themselves on their cell phones, playing video games off the screen. You see it on TikTok all the time. You see it on YouTube all the time. The most important thing for you to do is just to start. And rule number 7, these are my 7 pillars. That 7th rule, be yourself, man. People can see right through the crap. People can see right through you if you're being fake. People will know if you're in it for the money. You shouldn't be in it for the money. You should be in it because it's something you're passionate to do. But if you want this to be a legitimate business, the most thing you can do is you can just be transparent. Be yourself. If you're awkward on cam, be awkward on cam. If you're shy, you know, there are other avenues. You can be a avatar streamer where you just have the avatar on the screen in the bottom corner, and you can do it that way. But either way it goes, man, just be yourself. You can be on cam like I am. You can be camless. There are other avenues and other ways. There's layers to this. That's my most important thing. There are layers to this. So I'm telling you, be yourself. Be transparent. Join these communities with good intentions on actually being a part of the community. Don't be afraid to ask people questions. Don't focus so much on equipment. What was the other ones? Don't do follow for follow. I urge this. This is important. Very important. Don't do follow for follow. It's dead. That nothing comes out of it. That's from experience. That's in general. Nothing comes out of it. Don't do follow for follow. And just decide what kind of content creator you want to be. If you can do all of this, I guarantee you will see gradual growth. I'm a small YouTuber just like you guys. So do this and you'll be well on your way. I have 100 subscribers, but that's because I'm inconsistent with my upload time. Working on being more consistent with my upload time is my first shot at doing long form or short form content. But I just figured that this was a topic that I felt passionate about, that I felt needed to be discussed. Trust me when I say consistency, no follow for follow, be yourself. Don't be afraid to educate yourself and ask questions. Decide who you want to be, and you'll be fine. You'll be fine. It's your boy Zetamind TV. Peace.